Let's go into the databases and look for U.S. history in context. So I'm back on the library webpage, and I'm going to click using this link here, Research Databases. And when I open up the page, I'm going to scroll down just a bit so I can get an alphabetical listing. So I'm going to click on letter U. And here we are, U.S. history in context. Now you may be prompted for a password. So I'm going to type in library, all lowercase, and then we can go ahead and begin our search. So I'm going to type in Pueblo Revolt in my search box. And I have a couple of ways that I can look for my information. I can use my listing here of content types, or underneath I have those same content types broken up into boxes. So I'm going to start first with this with reference. 38 different articles. I can read through those, but for sake of time, I'm going to choose the Pueblo Revolt Drives the Spanish Out. So as I examine this article to see if it's worthy of my research time, I like the fact that it has my key facts, key players, background information, as well as the event and global effect. And just like when we were talking about looking at how bibliographies are set up for Chicago citation style, notice here in their bibliography, I have books that I can also use to further my own investigation, as well as other periodicals. So those are also good places to go and refer to as well. So that was Chef Dean saying hello to you guys in the background. So hello, Chef Dean. So here we go. Now let's talk about how to import this into Noodletools. So easy. What we're going to do is we're going to open up our citation tools. We're then going to drop down to Chicago's 17th edition, and then we're going to export our source into Noodletools. So let me just bring this down. All right, and export. So our database is now going to let's double check everything looks good. We can confirm that all of this looks great. We don't need to do any additions or editing. So let's import that reference. It knew straight away that I wanted to place this citation into Pueblo Revolt of 1680 because I had that opened. So now I'm going to jump over into Noodletools, and I'm in my Sources tab. I'm going to refresh that page, and voila, there you go. Our source that we just found in U.S. History and Context has been cited into Noodletools via Chicago style. So today, go through U.S. History and Context, find some sources, and just add them into the Source tab in Noodletools. And then we'll talk about building our note cards the next time you guys come into the library.